Hello children, hope you are doing very good. In the previous session you learned converse of basic proportionality theorem and areas criteria for similar triangles. So we will solve few problems on that. Here in this figure, QR by QS. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR is a condition given and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. PQS is similar to triangle TQR. What is the condition given? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, these two sides will be equal, right? Because when base angles are equal, triangle PQR becomes an isosceles triangle in which the sides are equal, two sides are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, therefore PQ is equal to PR. Why? Because base angles are equal. Triangle PQR becomes isosceles. Right? PQ is equal to PR. Now what is the condition given? QR. We have QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. This is given. In place of PR, we can substitute PQ. QR by QS is equal to QT by, in place of PR, PQ. If QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ and angle 1 is equal to 2, we will name this equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, if angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and then one angle is equal and the corresponding sides are proportional, QR by QS, QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. The sides are proportional and with one pair of angles equal. Then we can conclude that triangle PQR is similar to PQ. Here PQS is similar to TQR. TQR and PQS are similar, we can say. By which criterion? Criteria for similar triangles we have seen. We have learned the statement, right, in the previous session. So by SAS similarity criterion, we can say triangle PQS is similar to TQR. From 1 and 2, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. The reason being SAS similarity criterion. We will go to the next problem. In figure, altitudes AD. When we say altitude, AD will be perpendicular to BC. So there you see a perpendicular sign there. AD and CE. They are altitudes of triangle ABC, intersect each other at the point B. These altitudes intersect at P. Show that triangle AEP, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. These two triangles. Okay, first one, In all, there are 4 conditions where the different triangles formed by ABC and altitudes AD and CE, we need to prove that they are similar. We have learned the similarity criteria, and also 2A criteria is one among them. So we can use any of those criteria to prove these triangles to be similar. So for the first one, triangle AEP and CDP. AEP and CDP, these two triangles. In these two triangles, angle APE and CPD are equal, and PEA and PDC is 90 degrees. So we have two angles equal. Therefore, we can say by 2A criterion that the two triangles are similar. For the first one, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, whenever we check for the similarity, what we need to do is, we need to check for the triangles AEP, CDP. You need to see that corresponding sides and angles should be like this. AE and CD are corresponding, and angle and side EP should be corresponding. The corresponding side on the other triangle will be DP, and when you take PA, it should be PC. So P should be a common angle only. And then when you consider angles, angle A should be, the corresponding angle in this triangle will be C, when the corresponding angle for E will be D. So P is common. So what do we see? Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. And angle AEP is equal to angle PDC, that is 90 degrees. Why they are 90 degrees? Since CE and AD are altitudes. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by using 2A criterion. Let's take the second one. ABD triangle ABD and CBE. In these two triangles, angle B is common. Angle B is common. You can also see that here. And if check for D and E, angle ADC and angle CEB, they are equal. Angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, 90 degrees, because they are altitudes. Therefore, we can say triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. We will go to the third one. Triangle AEP and ADB. AEP and ADB. ADB. AEP and ADB. So E and D should be angle. In AEP, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB and what about angle A? Angle A is common. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB because of 2A criterion. triangle PDC and triangle BEC are similar. BEC are similar. In this angle, C is common. BEC and PDC, and angle C is common, and then PDC and BEC, again E and D are there. Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC, 90 degrees. Altitudes CE and AD. Therefore, we can conclude triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC, saved by 2A criterion. We have a theorem on areas of two similar triangles. It says, the statement is, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So, what does it say? The areas of two similar triangles, here ABC and PQR are two similar triangles. We consider them to be similar, and then the areas are equal. The area of triangle ABC, the ratio is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR should be equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides for ABC and PQR will be AB and PQ. AB by PQ the whole square, and the other one is BC by QR the whole square, AC by PR the whole square. So what is given in the statement? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given. That is, we know that the triangles are similar. What we need to prove? We need to prove that area of triangle ABC, the ratio, so divided by area of triangle PQR should be equal to the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are AB by PQ. Square is equal to all the pairs of corresponding sides. BC by QR the whole square, that is equal to AC by PR the whole square. This is what we need to prove. For this, we will do a construction. We will draw a perpendicular line, that is, we need to draw an altitude and name it AM and N. AM is perpendicular to BC, so AM is the altitude for the triangle ABC and PN is the altitude for the triangle PQR. Now, so the construction is, draw AM and AN PN altitudes. Now we will go to the proof. Area of triangle ABC. What is the area of the triangle? Half base into height. Half into base is BC into height is AM. Half base into altitude. area of triangle PQR is similarly half into, what is the base for the triangle PQR? QR into altitude is PN. Since we need to find the ratio, we will take the ratio area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is half into BC into AM divided by half into QR into PN. Half gets cancelled and it leaves us with BC into AM by QR into PN. You can name this equation 1. Now we will consider the triangles AMB and PNQ. In triangles ABM and triangle PQN. ABM and PQN. The right angled triangles, because the altitude forms 90 degrees with the base, it is a right angled triangle. In these two triangles, angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ 90 degrees, and then angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Because angle B is equal to angle Q because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, which is given. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR given. When two angles are equal in two triangles, we can conclude that therefore triangle ABN is similar to triangle PQN. Right? Which criterion we apply here? 2A criterion. That is, ABM and PQN are similar now. Therefore, once it is similar, we can say A and their corresponding sides will be proportional. AM by PN. AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ. We will name this second equation. We have triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is given. Since the triangles ABC and PQR are similar, we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. So how do we write the corresponding sides? I told you ABC PQR, AB PQ, BC QR, CA and RP. Go in a cyclic way. It's anti-clockwise. So AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP. This will be our equation 3. Now compare the equations 1, 2 and 3. We see that AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN here, right? And that AB by PQ is again equal to BC by QR. So from equation 1 and 3, we can write area of triangle from 1 and 3. You can write area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AM by PN, but AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ here. So we have used the equation 2 also. We can write from 1, 2 and 3. AB by PQ, and then BC by QR is also equal to AB by PQ. AB by PQ, substituting them. AB by PQ into AB by PQ. Therefore, this is equal to AB by PQ the whole square. From 3, from the equation 3, if AB by PQ holds area of ABC by PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square, but AB by PQ is also equal to BC by QR and CA by RP. So their squares are also, if the ratio is equal, their squares are equal. Area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square. AB by PQ is also equal to BC by QR the whole square. That is also equal to CA by RP the whole square. So here we conclude that areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Based on this, we will solve the problems in the next session. Okay children, thank you.